Hi there, this is Sandra with the Mortgage Center. Another special announcement from my office. I just noticed an interesting opportunity, and this is for people who may have had income interruptions during COVID, perhaps show low taxable income. And some of you might be self-employed. So I know we help lots of people who are self-employed. Usually, self-employed individuals, they may gross quite a bit of money in their business, but actually show low taxable income on their personal income tax return. So again, this message is especially true for people who've had income interruptions because of COVID, or perhaps show low taxable income but own a house. And in most cases, you may have gone to your bank, or you think you cannot qualify for a mortgage refinance or renewal. And that's not the case. And the unique opportunity in the marketplace right now is that fixed rate mortgages for alternative loans are very close to fixed rate. The rate is very close to fixed rate mortgages on regular mortgages. So if you have maybe gone to your bank or contacted us in the past and said, the rates were quite a bit higher on alternative loans, the rates have actually come in line, which is sort of a unique situation. So I wanted to share that with you because some of the things that, the opportunities that exist are here, and I will talk to you about them. Especially if your income has been a little rocky and intermittent over COVID, and you have accumulated some debts, credit cards, line of credit debts. And as we know, all of our home values have increased quite a bit. If you feel like your credit is still decent, there probably is a really great opportunity for you to consolidate some of those credit card and line of credit debt, lower the overall interest that you're paying on them, and then also improve your monthly cash flow. Perhaps if you're self-employed, there's an opportunity for you to grow your business, and you've gone to your bank and they've declined you, or maybe you've gone to the Business Development Bank of Canada and they said, yeah, sure, we'll loan you the money, but it'll be at 8 or 10%. Really, the interest rates are at historical lows, and this might be an opportunity for you to access that equity, inject it in your business at a really excellent interest rate. And remember, that money that you inject in your business is actually, the interest is tax deductible. The other thing too, again, if you're self-employed, you may have taken out a CERB loan for your small business. I know we did, just as an emergency backup, and now you'd like to pay that loan back. Again, you could borrow it from the equity you have in your house, pay off $40,000, and I know the government has told us that they would forgive $20,000 of that. So we love helping people. There's a link in this message right below. You can schedule an appointment, but I also wanted to let you know we are doing some interesting things with our social media, and we are going to be featuring customers, actual customers of ours, in a confidential way on our social media, so our LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you're into that and want to share your selfie, if you take a selfie of us, that you can email it to my office. The email address would be crs@mortgagecenter.com, and you'll see your debut on our social media post. And I can assure you we'll share the information in a confidential way, and in a really how should I say, in a very complimentary way. So thanks so much for letting us help you. And if we haven't, we would love the opportunity to. Remember, check us out at skipthebank.ca. Have a good day.